Yeah, man. So they are the original Blue Hole right now. We're about 10 minutes away from the Airbnb. So let's go on a tour. And not to mention, bunch of Guinea. So yeah, there. I head down at the St. Mary side now. Go through Ochisa St. Mary. My second home away from home, you know what I say? Anytime I do Jamaica is like a second home. So I go down there so have some buckling at the bottom. I go get some spring water, get some jelly. Hopefully we can get some you call that thing there's some guinea pan them something there. Yeah man, so I link up my uncle. You see me anytime I go to St. Mary side, I know I always link them up so. That's how we are going. You see me? We are going down a Four Seas Palm Residence in idea. And me and Tyrone there set speed with it.
Yeah, man, you see me?
Yeah.
Just to say what they are, what you said, see him. She said, "Can't woman, I'm my master." And see the young nigga good while.
Yeah, man, watch you my place. If I'm in Manchester, watch you for me, you know.
She said,
Yeah, man.
yeah, man, with you see me? You couldn't see where I go on the journey.
Yeah, town, man.
Yeah, town, man, to see
Yeah,
watch you,
man. Watch you, my love, brother. You see me?
Yeah, man, with you, man, we are going to show you where I go on the journey, I think.
I go on a piece of the road, you know. You know, the road, them at Jamaica little, you know. And I drive off it well cautious because road them maga. I'm fine, so when I go watch them, have a lot of patrol. I need them to fix up more car. You know, see, it's a tourist place where I'm going and I want the road them to be up to par, you see me? But apart from that, man, lovely place. Rain did fall this morning, so I do might look a little bit gloomy, you see me? Yeah, but anytime we reach in a place and we reach a park beach there, we go on our next beach preview. So in our next hour and a half before we reach down. So we'll check back here. I didn't to watch you know. Could the road was nice. A while ago I say yo, a tourist area and I realized they start fix up the road pretty. Asphalt nice. Me want the biggie. Asphalt nice. But once upon a time I be rocky but the place I get nice. Alright, big up whoever work on the road. Can't beat to nobody. Road get nice youth. Pull up in an island, I get something for you. I know this time I left out, I nothing. So I get some chicken and some festival. And the reason why I might think 168, you say? Sorry, thanks. Yes, so I almost reach my fridge. Should I reach it from about 11 o'clock still now? Alright, everything in this? Thanks. The outside and I watch it down and go and do it. Stop and get some food, because I'm looking for a morning. So I get a small soup, red peas, because you know I want the extra protein, so I get the peas soup. That's what I say. You get oh, so then just sell the soup and festival together sometime. Okay, look good. Pumpkin rice. Get 2 festival. Planting them lily, man. So I get for lunch, lunch/breakfast, some festival, planting, pumpkin rice, vegetable and jerk chicken. Look better in person than on the camera, honestly. Camera don't really give much justice right now. I get a small red pea soup coming for a morning. What I put a dumpling in this thing, you know. You put dumpling in there.
Soup alone, you know?
Most likely, yeah. Me hate soup with we have noodle in there. Just not look good. I drink that little soup, yeah. And then we are going to head out back. So yeah, we pull up, you know. By the viral video they done here. Watch out this. What this? Nutmeg. Yeah man, but they don't fit them one and not fit yet. This is nutmeg, my friends. See that? Yeah, but them not fit yet, so So them fit them open up like Aki, you know. Only for Aki pan tray. Jamaica national dish this. So I pull up on the area. So I nutmeg, yeah? Nutmeg, yeah, so that one open, so that ready. I try to see if I can pick off some. Could they? Whole heap of breadfruit, you know. Yeah, man, you come here them place, man, I just peace and tranquility. You see me? Yeah, man, this is it. Boss, I build up everything. Whoa! I say, boss, gone on about there. Yeah, man, addition is happening. Let me see a breadfruit, you know. So, I left and I get 2 breadfruit in a day, you know. You see it, yeah? Yeah, man, we're there, man. 4 C's, palm, up and running. Nobody know some reach yet, you know. So, yeah. Yeah, man, you boss. So, pretty soon, this one I got ready. You see me? Upstairs, almost ready. I see if you can give me a tour, but I showed you this the last time. I mean, used to live right up here, so everything I connect, man. You see me? Beer fruits, you know, hopefully the big man there we can pick 2 jelly, give me. You love how them a fix your place, man. Tell you. Yeah, man. Eh? They did there when it belong, so. And then see them drop on one next part up a top right there, so. And one next part drop on around the back there, so. Man, I'll give you a tour. And watch now, no? Guess what we have right there, so people. We have CTV cameras, you know. Yeah, man, so. We don't have to worry yourself, man. Camera lock in. You see me, I say? See it there? I don't know if this a show good, but see camera there on the house. You have 1 camera there, so. So any man make a step, you know. You know, so on a good. Lock in. See boss, yeah? You say, I move like a tourist in a shorts and slippers. Eh? Yeah, man, see, man. You say, Palm C, boss. I'm putting him, you know. We have guava tree and sit here, so see him, eh? See boss himself, yeah, you know. There, man, you're good. Yeah, man.
Blessing, man. Blessing.
How would you say? Amanda twin that, eh?
So she remember you the last time.
You remember me from the last time?
Yeah, you came there December.
Okay, you remember good, man. How are you?
Good.
Nice. Are your uncle can I par? Yeah, me.
I guess I wanna come.
Okay. Oh, you just this add on, you just do the addition and so?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright, go on and come. So last time I come in that place, G give you a tour. And we're gonna get an updated tour right now. See it there? Palm trees all over. You know what I want to, uncle? 2 palm trees if you go plant and catch a jelly up a country. Then the one there start grow already.
Yeah.
They get something like this. See it there? Yeah, man. Alright, I see different things since the last time. And I have a table drop in. Yeah, man, see it there? So we have a nice dinette right there, so 2 to 3 people can sit down. Yeah, man. 2 to 3 people can sit down. Right there, so. You have Wi-Fi and everybody. Okay, mommy tell me about the implant and if I have a snake plant, you know, so yeah, bring in positive energy. Yeah, man. Microwave. Then you have toaster and I place same on your kettle. Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, so you put in everything what I tell you last time for real. So you have your cutleries and everything. You have a 4 burner stove to your disposal. You have a nice refrigerator same way. Your pots and pan. Yeah, man, and your glass set for when you do the wine and everything, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, and see you have your cupboard up and everything same way. Yeah, see it there. Yeah, man, it a whole heap of improvement since the last time I come, you know. Yeah, a whole heap of improvement since the last time I come. See it there? Alright, see it there. You have a fan AC unit to come soon, same way. You have a window right there, so you can look out. You see me? The light I can turn on, so. In two, yeah? Ah, see it there. Yeah, man. So you come in right now. So it's an open concept. You see me? Yeah, man, comfortable bed for you, same way, you see it? Yeah, man. That is it, man. You know, you have storage for your clothes and everything. And like a full body mirror. Oh, so you have pillars. Yeah. Ah, see it, man. You can hang up your suit, them and everything, same way. Yeah, man, a whole heap of improvement, man. Yeah, in a cool down, for real. I don't know, you have your TV same way, the Wi-Fi. You have Wi-Fi same way, so you connect to Fire Stick TV, everything. Yeah. But if you don't have no other video, you can send me to you, know? Yeah, I'm going to send you some video. Yeah? Iron board. May I look everywhere, me see. Yeah, man, iron board. So you have an iron board in the back right there. So you want iron and close same way. And you have the iron. You know, your boss them now left out God, you know. Now left out God. Right? Yeah, man, see it there. So you come in now, you don't know you go out and you want to nice up yourself. You have a blow dry on everybody. You have a tissue, towel, everybody. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, see it there? You have a towel on everybody. I want to tell them to, you know, nice shower space, same way, you know? Yeah.
I am inspired me one at a time when me down here, so I may never really deal with it for this. But it just some column up. And me come down here one day and me say, but you know, say under here so can do something.
Yes.
But me in a prep in my head what me want to do. Yeah, so me say, all right. So me just take time, go and deal with down here little. And after I up and running deck and stuff, he come down here, John come down here one day. He come check me one day, right? And yeah, when it just a build up. Yeah, so me say I call and I want it in your room. And him say, Uncle, you know, say you can't turn on, you say Airbnb. I say, really? He say, yeah, man. I say, all right. He push an idea in my head. Yeah, and from that, then me just say, all right, Lisa, because me know me have to put it to my family. Then say, yeah, man, because I know my family still. Say, everybody just work together. And me just started down here. And from me started, everybody come down here love it. Them just love the settings. Them just love the family-oriented togetherness. And them just, and the quietness. You can't, and the environment, you can't drop a pin when you're asleep. One girl come here, she can't spend 5 nights. And you hear, she said to me, she said, fam, she come from foreign because she did their town. And she said, the Airbnb she did her town, she said, she don't get 1 night rest. And she said, when she come down here, she even did video 4, and she said she had put on 1 more night because she said she get a proper rest. Nobody feel worry her. No noise, no this. She just go. just relax. And she said, it's a tranquility. She said, I home away from home. Yeah, and she just love
I
it.
think if when you go to hotel, you know, by the time if you get up early in the morning, if you go get breakfast, you find
Okay.
you done, you feel like you're still at work.
Yeah.
You have to get up, remember, say lunch and breakfast around a certain time. And
Yes,
late,
man.
You can't get breakfast.
You can't get
So
breakfast.
if you do a hotel, if you say and relax, no.
No.
Come at a place, and what more have to tell the people to hopefully them hear me. Say, if they come and they want food to cook, the boss.
That me go fit say to you, because the girl come the other day, me look about her breakfast, get her breakfast, me look about her stuff, and my wife deal with it too. Look about it and she just eat. So she carry some stuff and she hardly use it. She not use it. She not have to worry about cooking, because me myself a chef. Jerk chicken, anything, brother. People feel safe and secure when they come here, so.
And I remind them you have camera up at top.
Yeah, man, the security camera they both same way. You know, and community nice, comfortable. You know, crime-free community.
I live down here for a year, and I live up here for 3, 4, 5 months. I live up here.
5 months you live here, so. Yeah, until you move and go, so.
Yeah,
and I tell you, say, no better place. Trust me.
Nice,
you know, complain, you feel comfortable. He is like my son. Time feel comfortable in the environment when there. Yeah, man, that's how I go. So everything there, man.
Call and I work today?
No, he called me around 3 times asked me if you reach yet.
So you can't carry ground.
Yeah, we carry going a blue wall. A blue wall just around us around 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Yes, man. Yeah, man, up the hill and go down. I'll close to the to so you know. 4C, come in. My wife, name start with C, Caraldine. Me, my name start with C, Conrad. My daughter, a Carlicia. My son, a Carlando. So 4C, palm. And we look at the trees, palm tree and all that. And the resident, you know, say, yes, so reside.
Yeah, man.
So just like that. We just, it makes sense when we look funny. Yeah, it makes sense when we look funny. So, no, a name makes sense. And it will continue with anything we are do. Because it's just we in it. So whatever we are...
It's just a start, you know.
Yeah. So whatever we are planned to go through with, a 4C. If a 4C...
Come on, restaurant, a
4C restaurant. If a 4C car rental, 4C car rental.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right. Okay. You see it on a place. I go down a 4C. Yeah, that's that. Yeah. Yeah.
You can grocery if you cook?
Yeah, man. Go to shopping. Eh? You go to shopping. Good. I'm a general. Good. Good. Me not have to worry.
Yeah, man. So right now we got the Blue Hole River, about 10 minutes away from the Airbnb.
So you have to get in.
Man, you can know, say, you know, anywhere water there, see a greener look. Yeah, man. You know, see a water place here come look, man. I never know, say, around us a Blue Hole there, brother. But you say this is a shortcut? Oh. Oh. Where am I going left? Ground over Lily, crush him and eat him. Him pop. Yeah, man. Oh, left also? Right also? Oh, how are this? 4.
Just make you know say you're good man.
Balance. Huh? We're good, man. We're balance.
Balance now, I'm going to show you the place.
Huh? We have somebody away power, man.
Sure.
Yeah, man. We have somebody away power. Manners. Either come like when you go over Hellshot. So, when you go to Hellshot, so the man them swam you, you know. And I give you parking. Free parking. The parking free, brother. You see me? That's what I say. We have somebody away power, man. Go on, brother. Brother, watch yourself, no bad man. We balance, man. We balance. Somebody away power already. Manners. We never know it's a surround at that time. Say everybody, where I go left? Turn on so?
Straight up, man.
Oh. We're good, man. We balance. Because then they're in the community. So when you got Elsha, eh? Oh. So when you got Elsha, the man, I this.
can't wait for him, brother. No, no long.
I thought about
Yeah,
sir?
cut over here, sir.
Okay.
You can't know them name, guys. I want some know them name, and you know them number.
It's where they are, the record somewhere? Yeah man, so they are the original Blue Hole right now. They're about 10 minutes away from the Airbnb. So let's go on a tour of what the place look like, set speed. You see me? Like how them things set up nice. You can hear the water shower down around where I'm sitting right now. Yeah. Place look nice. I like how they design up over here. You know what I say? Yeah man, see it down there so. Or you can come and take your photo them and thing down. Yeah man, man. And then see you have a river down here so. Yeah. Like it, them design up them thing nice. Over place clean man. Don't know them have them shop out there, so them snack shop. Yeah man. The place nice and clean. They have a sick bay. They have them sick bay over here same way. They have them restaurant and everything. Yeah man. Environment clean. Definitely close to the Airbnb, you can come check out the original Blue Hole and then give you a tour and them something. Yeah, that is it. So if you come up this side, you know you have Blue Hole, very nice. You just go visit and clean, you know? And you just give a view of what the inside look like. Then not up when we come back out, you know. Or when you go there interested, you know, they have them shops and them things that up as the same way. Nobody not tap you. So what kind of hustle them make up as now, Tyron? When them turn up out that? What them going to say to you and do? Oh, them are going to come tour you? So them pay if you go in at the place and you pay them for tour, yeah, the tour. Am I going to turn right? Oh. Anybody me know say buy a piece of land right up here say you're good, you know? Because Airbnb that boom up here so too, you know? Because they're so close to the attraction. Yeah, man. But that is it. So if you want to go to the Blue Hole, you know, it's just literally about 10 minutes away from the Airbnb, so you cannot lose, right? Yeah, man, we are going to just try to see if we can get some jelly and them things there for the rest of the evening. And we're good to go. So, me want for the longest time. Some coconut. A lot more at this. Plant some coconut. Yeah, man. That is it. So you say how long they might take to start see fruits? But they don't grow tall, let's say. So if you plant them close to the house, but I have to worry about the house that broke up. Okay.
Alright, look, you see the red one, then the red one, the other one, that one here.
Yeah.
That one, the tree.
Right, that's all.
A year, then the tree,
Take forget at all.
Yeah.
But it bring fruit from the young, from the short.
Here, I can go right down.
Oh.
Yeah,
Alright.
yes, them.
Yeah, man, thanks.
You know them.
Yeah, man. So, boss, me some jelly sucker. Them I want the long I want some jelly sucker. So you come and say I get 2 guinea. Put in a bag at time.
Never thought,
Yeah, man. And 2 of the 3 them green, you can't even see them so good if they're on the road. Oh. See it, Aaron? Alright. Get some guinea right now. Until they saw it.
them time there. Pass it.
A party can start with first.
Yeah.
And then we start the graphic designer. Because I'm a professional graphic designer too, you know.
Get it right here, so. Right at my fingertip. Darren. You're gonna pick, get it, at least I like them, you say, I have a cash some fair. Anytime I touch them, I forget some. You done now? Alright. Time I touch them, I forget some fresh spring water. You see what I say? You get some fresh spring water, you. Yeah, man, you see, anytime I come down here, so, I forget the natural spring water from up in the hills. Do cooking and vlogging, man, every day thing, you know?
Cooking and vlogging.
Yeah, man. Nah, man. Maris time cooking. Yeah, man. Just reaching, of course. My spring water nice. My coconut breadfruit. What's me I say? Yeah, man, you know in time ago. I sent me I said then load me up, you know. And not to mention bunch of guinea. See it there? Guinea for days. Yeah, man, guinea for days, man. I'm gonna carry up some of them, I become one. Plant them. You know the vibe. Let me see if I can plant all those jelly tree. But with that said, tired. I have a whole of beard right now. I'm just call it a night. So once again, hope you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out Four Seas Palm Residence down in St. Mary, close by the Blue Hole River, one of the most famous rivers in Jamaica. As I say, check it out, man. And as I say, I won't send you anywhere that doesn't have good people surrounding it. So check them out. I'm an NO agent send you. If you did love the vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm tired as I say. I'm going to sleep, but I'm going to be it first. You know. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
You have to work hard.